I am Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In today's class, we are going to see problems on Cauchy integral and Cauchy generalized integral. So here, how do you identify whether the given problem is Cauchy integral or Cauchy generalized integral? You have to identify. So how do you identify that one? I will tell you. Before identification, we should know that. So what is the procedure we have to apply for these problems? That procedure is important here. Right. The first step we can take. First step we can take. We need to evaluate integrals. We need to evaluate the integrals. We need to evaluate the integrals of the form integration of c into f of z divided by z minus a into dz, or integration of c into f of z divided by z minus a whole power n plus 1 into dz. So the given integral, we need to evaluate the integrals of the form f of z divided by z minus a into dz, integration of c into f of z divided by z minus a whole power n plus 1 into dz over a given closed curve. Over a given closed curve. Over a given closed curve C. Next, we have to see either see if the denominator should be in terms of powers, means we will apply Cauchy generalized integral formula. If the denominator should be linear, z minus a or a should be some constant, then we can say that the time we will apply Cauchy integral formula. This is Cauchy integral formula. This is Cauchy generalized integral formula. Before that, we have to see first we have to find whether z equal to a. We have to find whether z equal to a lies inside or outside the given curve. Outside the given curve C. Outside the given curve C. We have to find whether z equal to a lies inside or outside the curve. So if it lies outside, means we will apply the formula. If it lies outside the circle, means we will make it that one should be 0. Right. Next one. If z equal to a inside C, z equal to a inside C, then we use Cauchy's integral formula. Integration of C, f of z divided by z minus a into dz equal to 2 pi I into f of a. Integration of C, f of z divided by z minus a whole power n plus 1 into dz equal to 2 pi I divided by n factorial into fn of a. That means n means for that how much value of that power. So you have to reduce 1 and you have to that much times you have to differentiate. N is nothing but here it denotes the differentiation. Next, fourth one. if Z equal to A lies outside C, then integration of C into f of z divided by z minus a into dz equal to 0. Integration of C into f of z divided by z minus a whole power n plus 1 into dz equal to 0. If z equal to a lies outside C, then integration of C into f of z divided by z minus a into dz equal to 0. F of z divided by z minus a whole power n plus 1 into dz is also 0. So this is by Cauchy's theorem. Right. So using this, we can simplify the problems. Using these concepts, we will simplify the problems. I'll simplify the first problem. Simplify first problem. First one should be evaluate first question. Evaluate integration of C e power 2z divided by z plus 1 into z minus 2 into dz, where C is the circle, modulus of z equal to 3. Where C is a circle, modulus of z equal to 3. Right. Solution. Now, so I will take here denominator term. What is there? You can see denominator should be z plus 1, z minus 2 is there. Each term should be a linear. That z plus 1 does not containing any powers like 2, 3, 4 like that. Z minus 2 also does not containing any powers. It should be, I will apply Cauchy integral formula only. If I want to apply Cauchy integral formula, denominator should be product of two terms is there. So I have to simplify by using partial fractions. So first I can use resolve by partial fractions. Resolve by partial fractions. So what are the partial fractions? How can I apply means 1 divided by z plus 1 into z minus 2 equal to, I'll write a divided by z plus 1 plus b divided by z minus 2. I'll write one should be a, another should be b. Now this is equation 1 I'll consider. Now I'll cross multiply this. If you'll cross multiply, you know that how do you get is nothing but a into z minus 2 plus b into z plus 1. So just I cross multiplied this. This is equation number 2. Now put z equal to 2. Put z equal to in equation 2. Why I can put z equal to means here z minus 2 is a one factor and z plus 1 is one factor. If I'll put z equal to in equation 2, I'll get, so 1 equal to, z equal to means a into 0 plus z equal to means 2 plus 1. Now I'll write 1 equal to 3b, 1 by 3 equal to, I'll write it as b, 1 by 3 equal to b. Next, put z equal to minus 1 in equation 2. We'll give z equal to minus 1 in equation 2. We'll give here z equal to minus 1 means minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. 1 equal to minus 3 into a plus this one should be 0, b into 0 minus 1 by 3 equal to a. Minus 1 by 3 equal to a. Now I found out the values of a and b. I can substitute in equation 1. Substitute a comma b values in equation 1. If you substitute in equation 1 divided by z plus 1 into z minus 2 equal to a value should be minus 1 by 3 into 1 divided by z plus 1. B value should be 1 by 3 into 1 divided by z minus 2. Now I can write this only. Here I separated now partial fractions. Now I'm going to take this e power 2z divided by z plus 1 into z minus 2, like that I'll take. So if I'll take that one, what I'll get, e power 2z, why I'm taking means in the given problem e power 2z is there. So I'll take e power 2z divided by z plus 1 into z minus 2 equal to 1 by 3 if you'll take out, minus 1 divided by z plus 1 plus 1 divided by z minus 2 I will get. Here also I have to multiply this e power 2z. Here also I have to multiply e power 2z. Next step, what I will do here, I will take integration on both sides. Why integration means I have to check whether this given point lies inside the circle or outside the circle. I have to check. So that's the way I'll take integration on both sides. I'll write in next sheet that one. We'll take this integration of, I'll take integration on both sides, integration of c into e power 2z divided by z plus 1 into z minus 2 into dz equal to, I'll write 1 by 3 into integration of that minus term, I'll send that side, integration of c into e power 2z divided by z minus 2 into dz minus integration of c into e power 2z divided by z plus 1 into dz. This one I'll consider as equation number 3. Now, first here, here I have to use the bracket. This 1 by 3 is also common. Here see, 1 by 3 I took common here. Now we can take z minus 2 is 1, 0 and z plus 1 is another 0. We have to check what is that given circle. We have to see that given circle. Given circle, what is that circle is nothing but modulus of z equal to 3. How do you draw a circle means? Modulus of z equal to 3 means it's a circle, center at origin and radius should be 3 units. If I'll take this is x-axis and this is y-axis, we'll take this. Here this is the center, radius 3 units. So you'll take this one should be, or that radius 3 units I am taking here. So radius should be 3 units. If you'll take radius 3 units, this one should be minus 3 and this one should be plus 3. One should be minus 3, another one should be plus 3. Here I'm taking now, so what that this point should be minus 1 and this point should be minus 2 and this is 1 and this one should be 2. 1, 2, 3. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is origin. Now you can take z minus 2. If you take here z minus 2 equal to 0, z equal to 2. Another one should be z plus 1 equal to 0, z equal to minus 1. Z equal to minus 1. That means here z equal to a is 2. 2 is lying inside the circle. This 2 point I took. So where I got it, this 2 and plus 1 means, so you know that this is z minus 2 is the z minus a. Here z plus 1 is there. This 2, z equal to 2 and z equal to minus 1. Both zeros are lying inside the circle, modulus of z equal to 3. This is a circle of modulus of z equal to 3. Is it clear, item? Now I can take 1 by 1 and I can simplify. So I can write here, say z equal to 2 comma minus 1 or lies inside the circle modulus of z equal to 3. Modulus of z equal to 3. So whenever it lies inside the circle means I can take integration of c into f of z divided by z minus a into dz equal to 2 pi I into f of a. So first I can taking, So here, what is that f of z? You can know that f of z means numerator, what term is that? That one should be f of z is e power 2z. Taking first step, one by one I'll take. First I'll take this and again I'll take this. Taking f of z equal to f of z equal to e power 2z, comma a equal to 2, we get a equal to 2, we get integration of c into f of z should be e power 2z divided by z minus 2 into dz equal to, I'll write 2 pi I into f of a, 2 pi I into, according to this, f of a. What is that? A is nothing but 2. For first term, I am taking. This is first term. So here you can write first term. First term, taking f of z is e power z, a equal to. So you will get 2 pi I into f of 2. But what is f of z? F of z is e power 2z. In next step, I can write integration of c into e power 2z divided by z minus 2 into dz equal to 2 pi I into f of 2. In the place of f of z is e power 2z. F of 2 is e power 2 into 2 is e power 4. Next, second term. Next, we can take it as second term. Taking taking f of z is e power 2z only. A equal to what is that? A equal to z plus 1 means a equal to minus 1. A equal to minus 1. We get integration of c into e power 2z divided by z plus 1 into dz divided by e power 2z into z plus 1 divided by dz. So equal to, what I can write, this one should be 2 pi I into f of a. What is the value of f of a is f of minus 1. Now you will write 2 pi I into f of minus 1. What is that? E power 2 is 2 into minus 1 is, we will write it as 2 pi I into e power minus 2. Now we'll write integration of c into e power 2z divided by z plus 1 into dz is nothing but this. Next one should be e power 2z into z minus 2. This is the first term expression and this is the second term. Now I'll take this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4 this is, and this is equation number 5. I'll take this is equation number 4 and 5. If I'll add both equation number 4 and 5 and I'm going to substitute in equation 3. Next step, in next step, substitute equation 4 and equation 5 in equation 3. We'll substitute equation 4 and equation 5 in equation 3. We'll get integration of c into e power 2z divided by z plus 1 into z minus 2 into dz equal to 1 by 3 into, what is that first term? We know that 2 pi. Equation 4, what is that? Equation 4 is, we know that equation 4 is 2 pi I into e power 4. We'll write 2 pi I into e power 4 minus 2 pi I into e power minus 1. Now you'll write, so 1 by 3 into, so I'll take 2 pi I also outside, 2 pi I outside, e power 4 minus 1 divided by e power minus 1 should be 1 by e. Now the integral c into e power 2z divided by z plus 1 into z minus 2 into dz equal to 2 pi I divided by 3 into e power 4 minus 1 by e. One by, here see, here what I have written, e power 1 by e or e power minus 2, I have written here minus 1. Just you have to do the correction. This is e power minus 2, 1 by e square, 1 by e square. That's all. Which is the required solution for the given problem. Next question. Next one should be evaluate evaluate integration of C 1 divided by z square minus 4 into dz over first one should be C modulus of z equal to 1. Second one should be B C modulus of z minus 2 equal to 2. Modulus of z minus 2 equal to 2. Right, solution. Solution. Here, first I will take, I will check here two circles are given. Separately, A problem separately we are going to do and B problem separately we are going to do. First one circle we will find out. Before doing this, first we have to do that, this one, how do you simplify that one we can see. Here given should be 1 divided by z square minus 4. By partial fraction we will do this. By partial fraction we can solve this. I can write this one 1 divided by z square minus 4. I can write it as 1 divided by z square minus 4 square is 2 square. This only I'll write 1 divided by z minus 2 into z plus 2 I'll write. Z minus 2 into z plus 2. 1 divided by z square minus 4 equal to, I'll write a divided by z minus 2 plus b divided by z plus 2. A divided by z minus 2 plus b divided by z plus 2. Now here what is that z square minus 4 I'll write it as, already I know that. So this one only equation 1 I'll take. So here this z square minus 4 how we have written means z minus 2 into z plus 2. Now if we cross multiply that, so I'll get left hand side should be 1 equal to, left hand side 1 equal to a into z plus 2 plus b into z minus 2 you will get. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Right. Now I can take a into z plus 2 plus b into z minus 2. Now put z equal to 2 in equation 2. We'll put z equal to 2 in equation 2. We'll put z2 minus 2 is 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 equal to 4a. 1 by 4 equal to a. 1 by 4 equal to a will get. This is a value. Next, if we'll take similarly, if z equal to minus 2 we can give. We'll give z equal to minus 2. If z equal to minus 2 in equation z equal to minus 2, here if we'll give z equal to minus 2 in equation 2, we'll get, if we'll give z equal to minus 2 in equation 2, we'll get minus 2. If we'll give here minus 2 plus 2 0, b is nothing but minus 2 minus 2, 1 equal to minus 4b. 1 equal to minus 4b. So b equal to minus 1 by 4. B equal to minus 1 by 4. Now substitute a equal to 1 by 4, b equal to minus 1 by 4 in equation 1. In equation 1. If we'll substitute in equation 1, 1 divided by z square minus 4 equal to, so this is that equation 1. So 1 divided by z square minus 4 equal to, a is nothing but 1 by 4 into z minus 2. 1 by 4 into 1 divided by z minus 2. B is minus 1 by 4, 1 divided by z plus 2. Now, I can write this one only, integration of C into 1 divided by z square minus 4 into dz equal to integration of c into, here also we will take 1 by 4 outside. So if I'll take 1 by 4 outside, I'll get like this, 1 by 4 into integration of c into 1 by z minus 2 into dz minus 1 divided by z plus 2 into integration of c into dz. 1 by 4 I took outside, 1 divided by z minus 2 into dz minus 1 divided by z plus 2 into dz. Now I can simplify this. We have to take the given should be, what is the given circle we have to take first. So up to here, this one should be, I'll consider as this is equation number 3. From in this only, we'll consider 2 circles they have given here. First, I will simplify for first circle, modulus of z equal to 1. And I will simplify for modulus of z minus 2 equal to 2 separately. First A question I will take. A is, first one should be C, modulus of z equal to 1. Here if you take modulus of z equal to 1 means this is a circle. It's a circle, center at 0 of radius 1 unit. Center at 0 of radius 1 unit. If you take this is minus 1 and this is plus 1. One should be minus 1, another one should be plus 1. If you'll see the point, what are the points here? Say z minus 2 equal to 0 is one thing, z plus 2 equal to 0 another thing, z equal to 2 is one point, and z equal to minus 2 is another point. Here if you'll see minus 2 and plus 2, where the 2 will come, this side minus 2 will come, and this side plus 2 will come. Where this minus 2 and plus 2 lies, both are lies outside the circle. Both are lies outside the circle. Already I told that in that working procedure, if the points z equal to a, that means I'll tell here z equal to 2, comma z equal to minus 2 lies outside the circle. These 2 points are not, minus 2 plus 2 are not lying inside the circle, lies outside the circle. What is the circle this is? This is the circle of modulus of z equal to 1. Circle modulus of z equal to 1. So now I can write integration of c 1 divided by z square minus 4 into dz equal to 0. Integration of c into 1 divided by z square minus 4 into dz equal to 0. Next, second one we can take. C is a circle, modulus of z minus 2 equal to 2. C is a circle, modulus of z minus 2 equal to 2. I am taking here. How do you draw this circle? I'll tell you here. See, it's a circle. Here previously modulus of z equal to 1 means center should be where I have been taken. Center at origin I took. Here modulus of z equal to 2 means, so we can take, this is the points I am marking here. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. At the same time, here minus 1 and here should be minus 2. Modulus of z equal to 2 means this is the point, 2 point. So we have to draw a circle of, what is that? Center is at 2, 2 comma 0. Center is 2 comma 2, 2 comma 0. Here what is that? Radius is 2 units. Radius is 2 units. We'll draw a circle of radius 2 units. Center at 2. This is nothing but the circle of radius, what is that? 2 comma 0. This is 2 comma 0. Circle is a circle. Now I'll take the points. What are the points? Now here see. First one I have written directly. Why? Z equal to 2 minus 2 lies outside the circle. Even first integral is 0 and second integral is also 0. Now here if you'll come to here, so what are the points for this same question only, for equation 3 only? Z equal to z minus 2 equal to 0, z plus 2 equal to 0, z equal to 2, z equal to minus 2. Z equal to 2 lies inside the circle. This is the circle, what is that? Modulus of z minus 2 equal to 2. So circle modulus of z minus 2 equal to 2. But at the same time, z equal to minus 2 lies, what is that? This 2 comma 2 is the point, lies inside the circle. We'll take z equal to minus 2. Minus 2 lies outside the circle. Now I'll take this. Take here. I'll write here, see here, this is 2. 2 means that z equal to 2 lies inside the circle. At the same time, z equal to minus 2, if you'll take, it lies outside the circle. Now we'll write z equal to 2 lies inside the circle. Lies inside the circle. Whenever it lies inside the circle means, what is that? F of z equal to 1 and a equal to what is that? F of z equal to a equal to 2 lies inside the circle. Modulus of z minus 2 equal to 2, a equal to 2. Now I'll write integration of c into 1 divided by what is that? First integral, you know that first integral is what is that? 1 divided by z minus 2 into dz. 1 divided by z minus 2 into dz equal to 2 pi I into f of a. Now I'll write integration of c into 1 divided by z minus 2 into dz equal to 2 pi I into f of a. A is what? F of 2. F of z is 1. See, f of z is 1. F of 2, if you substitute also, you will get same thing. 1 divided by z minus 2 into dz equal to 2 pi I into f of 2 is 1. 2 pi I into 1 is 2 pi I only. Similarly, another integral you can see here. Another integral should be integration of c into 1 divided by z plus 2. Here z equal to minus 2. Now you can write separately. Here z equal to minus 2. Z equal to minus 2 lies outside the circle. Outside the circle. Modulus of z minus 2 equal to 2. So integral c into 1 divided by z plus 2 into dz equal to 0. So now this one I will take it as equation number 4. This is equation number 5. Substitute equation 4 and equation 5 in 3. We will get, here I have not substituted in previously. Here if we substitute, what you will get? Integration of c into 1 divided by z square minus 4 into dz equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into what is that? First value should be 2 pi I. Next value should be what is that? 0. 2 pi I minus 0. Now integration of c 1 divided by z square minus 4 into dz equal to 2 pi I divided by 0 is pi I divided by 2, which is the required solution for the given equation. Right, next problem. Evaluate integration of c into sine pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2 into dz, where C is the circle, modulus of z equal to 3. C is the circle, modulus of z equal to 3. This is the given question. Here, what is that? Denominator containing linear factors. One is z minus 1, another one is z minus 2. We will do first a partial fraction. What is f of z is sine pi z square plus cos pi z square. Now we can take solution. First denominator should be I'll write resolve 1 divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2 into partial fractions Now I'll write 1 divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2 equal to a divided by z minus 1 plus b divided by z minus 2. Now if you cross multiply this, you will get a into z minus 2 plus b into z minus 1. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Put z equal to 2 in equation 2, you'll get, so 1 equal to z equal to 2 means a into 0 plus b into 2 minus 1 is 1. So now you'll get b equal to 1. Next, put z equal to 1 in equation 2. We'll get z equal to 1 in equation 2 means 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 1 equal to minus a plus 1 minus 1 should be 0. B into 0. So now you'll write a equal to minus 1. Now if you'll substitute this a and b values in, substitute a comma b values in equation 1. If you'll substitute in equation 1, 1 divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2 equal to a is minus 1 divided by z minus 1. B is nothing but 1 divided by z minus 2. Now I'll write this one only. 1 divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2 equal to 1 divided by z minus 2 minus 1 divided by z minus 1. Now we'll multiply for this sin pi z square cos pi z square, sin pi z square plus cos pi z square integration of c divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2 into dz equal to. Now we'll write integration of c into sin pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus 2 first into dz minus integration of c into sin pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus 1 into dz. Z minus 1 into dz. This one I am considering as equation number 3. Equation number 3. Complete this equation. Here, first I have to draw. First, what given I will take in next sheet. First, I have to draw whether the given circle, the points, what are the points we know that. So first given should be C. C is nothing but modulus of Z equal to 3. Modulus of Z equal to 3. You can draw a circle of radius, what are the 3 units. We'll take that circle of radius 3 units means this is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Next one should be 1, 2, 3. This is a circle of radius 3 units. So if you draw a circle of radius 3 units, you will get the circle like this. So it should be a circle, you should consider in this type, circle type only. It's a curve. Now, what are the points here I got? We know that. So the point should be, what are the points? We know that. One is z minus 2, another one should be z minus 1. Now, z minus 2 equal to 0, z minus 1 equal to 0, z equal to 2, another one should be z equal to 1. If you take the points, this is 1 and this is 2. 1 comma 2, the 2 points z equal to 1, z equal to 2 lies inside the circle. Now you'll write z equal to 1, comma z equal to 2 lies inside the circle inside the circle, modulus of z equal to 3. Both points lies inside the circle. Now for one by one I can find. Here integral, if you'll see, first integral should be in terms of z minus 2 is there. For first integral I will find. So now integration of c into sine pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus, first one should be over that z minus 2 is there, divided by z minus 2 into dz. For this I'll take, what is that? Here I can say first, this is the first, z equal to 2 lies inside. So now if z equal to lies inside means, what is that? F of z. F of z is nothing but sine pi z square plus cos pi z square, z equal to 2. Z equal to 2. Now we will write, if it lies inside means, here already I told that 2 pi I into f of a. F of a, that formula 2 pi I into f of a. Now here a is 2. Integration of c into sine pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus 2 into dz equal to 2 pi I into f of a. F of a is f of 2. Now we will put 2 pi I into f of 2. What is that? F of 2 means in the place of z square I am putting f of 2. We will put f of 2. Z square means what we will get, we know that sine 2 square. Z is nothing but 2 square means sine 4 pi z. Sorry, sine z square is 2 pi means sine 4 pi plus cos 4 pi you will get. Now we'll get 2 pi I into sine 4 pi is 0, cos 4 pi is 1. Now you'll get integration of c into sine pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus 2 into dz equal to, we will write it as first one should be 2 pi I. Similarly, we'll take second one. What is that second integral? You know that here, if we'll take the second integral is sine pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus 1 into dz. Now, second one we'll take. This is the first one. This is equation number 4 I will take. Now, similarly, z equal to 1 lies inside the circle. Inside the circle, modulus of z equal to 3. Now I'll write integration of c into sine pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus 1 into dz equal to 2 pi I into f of a. Here f of z is nothing but sine pi z square plus cos pi z square. A is nothing but 1. A is 1. Now, if I'll simplify this, I'll get in the form of f of a. In the place of a, I will put 1. Integration of c into sine pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus 1 into dz equal to 2 pi I into f of a. F of a is f of 1. Now we'll get 2 pi I into f of 1 should be sine of pi z square. Z square is 1 square is 1. Sine pi plus cos pi. Now cos pi value should be minus 1. 2 pi I into cos pi is minus 1. Now I'll write integration of c into sine pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus 1 into dz equal to minus 2 pi I. This is equation number 5. Now, if we'll take this from, this is equation 4, this is equation 5. What is equation 3? We know that in equation 3, I'm going to substitute. You'll substitute in equation 3. You will get substitute equation 4 and equation 5. In equation 3, we'll get integration of c into sine pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus 2 into z minus 1 into dz equal to. So first one should be, what is that here? See, any constant term is there outside? No. So this minus this. So if I'll simplify that, so I'll get in the form of, substitute, you will get, first one should be 2 pi I. First one is 2 pi I minus of minus 2 pi I. Now integration of c into sine pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus 2 into z minus 1 into dz equal to 2 pi I plus 2 pi I is nothing but 4 pi I, which is the required solution for the given problem. Where if this is modulus of z equal to in modulus of z equal to 3. Right. Next problem. Evaluate integration of c into z square plus z plus 1 divided by z minus 2 whole cube into dz over modulus of z equal to 3, modulus of z equal to 3. Solution. So given should be here. See, previous 3 problems I have done, their z minus a power should be 1 only. Here z minus 2 whole cube coming. Whenever power more than 1 comes, you should apply the Cauchy generalized integral formula. We have to apply Cauchy generalized integral formula. In these places, not required to do that partial fraction concepts. Directly we can move to that Cauchy generalized integral formulas. Whenever z minus a power should be more than 1 is there, it should not be linear, then we can go for this and we can simplify according to that. So right, integration of c into z square plus z plus 1 divided by z minus 2 whole cube is of the form integration of c into f of z divided by z minus a whole power n plus 1 into dz. So this only I'll write whenever it is in this form means I'll write what is that formula I told, 2 pi I into fn of a, 2 pi I into fn of a. Here 3 is there, 3 I'll write as 2 plus 1. Now this only I can write integration of c into f of z divided by z minus a whole cube is nothing but 2 plus 1 into dz equal to 2 pi I into f of 2 of f double dash. Here this is nothing but f double dash of a. Now if I'll simplify this, what is that f of z is nothing but we know that f of z should be right. Integration of, right here, integration of c into z square plus z plus 1 divided by z minus 2 whole cube into dz equal to, here are the 2 pi I divided by, here I have missed one term also, 2 pi I divided by n factorial has to come here. In the formula 2 pi I divided by 2 pi I divided by here 2 pi I divided by n factorial. Here also 2 pi I divided by n factorial. N factorial is nothing but here only we'll get 2 factorial. Right. Next 2 pi I divided by 2 factorial into what is that? F double dash of A. What is that? A is nothing but here 2. F double dash of 2. First I have to find what is f of z here. F of z is z square plus z plus 1. What is f dash of z is? Differentiation of z square is 2z. Differentiation of z is 1. Differentiation of a constant is 0. Next, what is f double dash of z? Differentiation of 2z is 2. Differentiation of a constant is 1. 1 differentiation of a constant is 0. Now, integration of c into z square plus z plus 1 divided by z minus 2 whole cube into dz equal to 2 pi I divided by 2 factorial is 2. F double dash of, this is F double dash of 2. Now I'll write 2 pi I divided by 2 factorial is 2. What is the value of F double dash of Z is 2. In the place of Z 2, if you'll substitute also, you'll get 2 only. Now I'll cancel it this 2 and 2. Integration of C into Z square plus Z plus 1 divided by Z minus 2 whole cube into dz equal to 2 pi I, which is the required solution for the given problem. So whenever more than power 1 will come in the denominator, we should apply what is that? Cauchy generalized integral formula. See, I didn't tell that here. We can see if we'll take the circle, this is a circle you can take of radius or that modulus of z equal to, I have to check that one also. I didn't check directly, I have done. Modulus of z equal to 3. Circle like this you will get. This is nothing but 3 and this is minus 3. Here what is that? This is 1, this is 2. 1, 2 lies inside the circle here. This lies, this is y-axis and this is x-axis. Points 1, 2 lies inside the circle now. Sorry, here I have to draw this one this side. Here we can take the circle, this is of radius, what is that? 3 units. We'll take radius 3 units. Here this is 1 and this is 2 and this one should be 3. So all the 3 points 1, 2, here what is that? A is nothing but 2. A lies inside the circle. A lies inside the circle. So whenever A lies, A2, 2 lies inside the circle, then if it is inside the circle means you can find out that we have to use that formula and we have to simplify that. If it lies outside the circle, directly we'll keep 0. That's all. This the problems in Cauchy integral and Cauchy generalized integral. Using this, we can simplify the any kind of problems.